Hi guys, welcome back to Gizbot's YouTube channel. We have been keeping you posted with the latest happenings around the tech industry. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and tricks with you that will allow you to earn some money for free online. So, let's begin. Internet has been playing a vital role in our lives for long now, and its consumption has seen an all-time high with the onset of smartphones. Not just social media and entertainment, the online space is a host to a plethora of activities. Web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer are what help us get connected with the World Wide Web. And it's Google which most of us prefer to resort to while searching for anything specific online. Lately, Google has also started playing a role beyond just being a search engine. The search giant has opened up possibilities for its users, be it professional or a rookie, to earn money. And you don't need a specific skill set to earn money from Google, but you need to be aware of the ways that can fill your pockets by using the search engine. If you have been looking a way to earn money from Google, then this video will help you with the same. Who doesn't know about the Google's video sharing platform? YouTube is the oldest such website that the users have been swarming in for entertainment. It isn't any hidden fact that the amateur and professional content developers have started routing on YouTube to share their talent. Not only this, the platform provides fame, but it also helps you earn some money. And if you are already not aware of the steps to do so, we will like to add that the very first thing you need here is your own YouTube channel. But creating a channel simply doesn't let the money flow to your account. You need to make sure you upload good quality videos so that more and more audience drives towards your content. A large subscriber base has been one of the major factors for popularity of a YouTube channel, besides the remaining elements like content and video SEO. The popularity of a channel and its content is also a driving factor for sponsor, which means some good money. Also, when a channel is growing well, you can set up Adsense and start earning via Google. We bet the idea of earning money alongside fame is enticing for most of you out there. Also known as blog posts, it is the blog service by Google which also has the provision of income via various monetization methods by the company. Similar to YouTube, you will need to create a blog page. Also, adding content consistently which can grab a wide reader base is what will do the trick. There is no limitation on the beat you opt to write for, be it technology, fashion, or even politics. Once your blogspot has good viewership, you can simply register for Adsense. This will allow the ads from Google to run on your page. The Google AdSense is the key to earn a good amount of money from Google. This is a program that is run by Google on a website that runs ads targeting the content and the audience. The ads playing on a website are not random. Rather, they are subjective to the type of content the website is hosting. Getting ads on a website is not as easy as it sounds, as there are a number of factors determining the same. The popular a website is, the more traffic it gets in terms of users. And once your website starts getting good traffic and ads, it will turn up as a revenue generator for you. Internet is a home to e-commerce website that offers the provision of buying products online. However, there are strict guidelines set by these brands for sellers to sell their products on their platform. But some websites allow a general user to sell off their used products, be it electronics, furniture, and even motor vehicles. You can get all under one roof. Online marketplaces that you can easily search on Google allow generating some revenue in the online space. We have shared the popular and important ways with which you can earn some money for free from Google. But the options are not limited to the aforementioned ones. With each passing day and advancement in technologies, making money from Google is something that has gained popularity.
That's all for now. For more technology related updates, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.